So we got some news about the ongoing fight between ADOR and NJZ, aka NewJeans, aka MHDHH, and it seems like a setback for NJZ. However, I will say, to quote Yogi Berra, it ain't over till it's over. So first of all, there was a court order on May 30th where ADOR asked the court for what is called indirect compulsory execution, which means if NJZ breaks their existing injunction and tries to work outside ADOR, then they will be fined per violation. And the court agreed, stating that, they cannot perform or sign contracts without ADOR's consent until a full decision is made in the ongoing contract lawsuit. And the judgment has been determined that for every unauthorized activity, they would be charged 1 billion Korean won, which is about $725,000 every time they would break the terms. Now, importantly, they haven't broken the terms. This is set up so basically, as of this ruling going forward, this would be penalized. So this doesn't include complex con or anything that went on beforehand. This is as of this ruling a couple days ago on. And what this does feel like is really a pressure campaign from ADOR and HYBE specifically to try to just put the squeeze on NJZ as this upcoming court date, which is June 5th, comes about. And this is the one that's kind of the bigger one that will decide the actual contract litigation and whether NJZ's contract can still be upheld with ADOR or whether it's moot, as the members, themselves voiced. So again, it does feel like a win for ADOR at the moment, but this injunction is just one part of this whole proceedings. And, there's a lot more to see. And NJZ is still arguing for their contract termination, citing that breakdown of trust. And as the main lawsuit unfolds, we may see the tables turn in their favor. We don't know. Just keep following for updates, though, because June 5th is a pivotal date. And, of course, I will cover anything in the lead up about that. And, yeah, if you have any questions or want me to cover anything, just let me know.